Hi guys! My name is Glenn. Today is October 3, 2024. Ibig sabihin nun, it's also the third day ng Glenn Tuicos Daily Vlog. Wala naman tayo masyadong nakaplano for today, but I'll still try to show you guys short scenes of what I do. Bored lang siguro ako kaya ako ginagawa to. Just an update. Kahapon, karoon tayo ng news about the Taal volcano erupting. Pero mini eruption lang naman. So ngayon, puntahan ko yung Baywalk wherein kitang-kita natin yung Taal volcano. Marami kasing nagpapanik. Glenn, kamusta kayo dyan? Glenn, kamusta kayo dyan? Okay lang naman. Wala naman nangyari. Okay. So nasa Taal volcano na tayo. Taal volcano side lang pala. Hindi pala Taal volcano. Wait lang, baba tayo. Yan. Nag-fog yung glasses ko. Yan, at least nakita niya yung itsura na hindi naman ganun kalala talaga. Oh wait, may random kabayo. There's the random kabayo.
Please fasten driver's seatbelt.
Sorry. Wait lang. So that is Taal volcano and this is Bañadero Baywalk. Hindi ko alam paano ako dadaan dito. Kasya naman yata. So ngayon, pupunta muna ako sa bahay sa Ambulong. 2 minutes away from here. Nandun kasi yung mga Chahins. The Chahins are there. We're gonna visit them. Oh! Puting-puti, mami. Puting-puti.
Wala.
Mami, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Mamas, bye-bye. Yay! Babush!
To eat.